Today I am going to explain about reference forward interpolation formula. Reference forward interpolation. Here, what do you mean by interpolation? Interpolation is a technique of estimating the value of the function for any intermediate value of the independent variable. Means here we don't know the function, we know x data and corresponding y data. So we need to find some intermediate data. Finding such type of data is called interpolation. Extrapolation, the process of computing the value of the function outside the given range is called extrapolation. Suppose here x data is given, corresponding y data is given. Here 1, corresponding data here 0, -1, 4. Suppose here 6. Want to find y at 1.5, called interpolation. The data is 1.5 is between the given range 1 to 4. The range 1, 4, we are finding y at 1.5, called interpolation. Suppose you want to find y at 5. 5 does not belongs to 1, 4. This is called extrapolation. Finding outside the given range is called extrapolation. Finding between the range is called interpolation. Interpolation formula. Returns forward interpolation formula. Here the x data is given, here corresponding y data is given. So here x data is equally spaced. Here x0 plus h, s and so on. So h is called step size. So here we need to evaluate y at some particular x. That x is between x0 and xn. So here we are going to find y at x. That x is equal to x0 plus ph. Where p is any real number, it is the spacing of x data. Want to find y at particular x is nothing but y x, not h. You know the shift operator formula. Over n, yr is nothing but y r plus nh. H is equal to 1, we write r plus n. Or in sometimes we write y r plus nh. X form or at bracket form. Write in both ways. Here you can write power p y at x naught. Nothing but y of x naught plus ph. Here h represents step size. Here we are assuming that step size is 1. So here we know the relation between shift operator and forward difference operator. Forward difference operator is equal to f1. Guys, here e, in place of e, you can write delta plus 1. Here delta plus 1 whole power p y x naught, nothing but you can represent y naught. Y of x naught is nothing but. So here you can write 1 plus delta power p y naught. So using binomial expansion, you can write 1 plus del p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial del square factor del cube y naught. If you multiply y inside, become y naught. P is a constant. L is operator. We are applying on y naught. P into 1 by 2 factorial del square y naught represents second order forward difference data. P into p minus 1 into factorial del cube y naught plus and can extend according to your data. Finally, the forward interpolation formula is y of x is y naught p into del y naught p minus 1 factorial to del square y naught so on. Here example 1, we need to find y at particular x 0.5 from forward interpolation formula from the following data. Here 0 to 6, 7 data points is given. The solution, we need to find y at particular data 2.5. 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. This way of finding data is called interpolation. Here we are going to apply Newton forward interpolation formula. For that we need forward difference table. So here 7 data points given, we will get 6th order difference table. So here y0 represents data represents y0, y1, y2, 1, y6. The first column we need to write y data. Here y0, y1 is 1, y2 is 16, y3 is 1, y4 is 56, 25, 1296. Here first term is delta y0, but y1 minus, here 1 minus 0 means term delta y1, 16 minus 1, y2 minus y1, delta y2, 81 minus 16, here delta y3, 56 minus 81, 175, delta y4, y5 minus y4, 25 minus 256, y5, delta y5, 1296 minus 625. We are getting second order starts with y0, delta square y0 is nothing, delta y1 minus delta y0. Always forward difference table starts with y0. Index starts delta y1 means 16 minus 1, delta square y1, delta y2 minus delta y1, 55 minus delta square y2, 175 minus delta square y3, 369 minus 175, 190, delta square y4, delta y5 minus delta y4, 302, delta cube y0, delta square y1 minus delta square y0, 3 minus 14, 36, delta cube y1, 110 minus delta cube y2, 194 minus 110, delta cube y3, 2 minus 194, the power 4 y0, 30 minus 60 minus 36, the power 4 y1, 4 minus y2, 100 minus the power 5 y0, 4 minus 20, delta power 5 y1, 0, or 6. Next, we need to write Newton forward interpolation formula according to our data. Here 7 data points given, get up to 6th order. But here 5th and 6th order are zeros. Order are zeros. So no need to write 5th order and 6th order. This formula here P. What is the P here? Here P is nothing but x minus x naught by what is x here? Whatever the value you are going to find, that value is called x 2.5. X naught means starting of the x data 0. Then x naught divided by h. H is the spacing of x data. data is equally spaced here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 1, and p value is nothing but 2.5. Here we need to substitute y naught. Y at 2.5 is equal to y naught. What do you mean by y naught? Starting of the y data 0 plus p 0.5 delta y naught. Delta y naught means first order first data 1 plus p 0.5 minus divided by 2 factor means delta square y naught here 14. Forward difference formula, we need to consider always starting value of the difference. Del q y naught means 36.5 minus 0.5 factor means del q y naught is 30 minus divided by 4 factor means 4 del power 4 y naught 24. After simplification, here I am getting 39.65. After simplification, getting 39.5. So you can also verify. We know y at 2 is 60, y at 3 is 81. Our result must be between 60 and 81. And remember this thing. Next thing, example 2. Okay? Example 2. Here example 2, Newton forward interpolation formula. Find the cubic polynomial, third degree polynomial. Take the following values. Since evaluate y at 4. 4 means that lies outside the given range. If we are doing extrapolation. First we need forward difference table. Here 4 data points given. We will get up to third degree polynomial. So here y naught. Y naught is here 1. Y1 is 2. Y2 is 1. 10. Here del y naught means y1 minus 1, 1 del y1 y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 2 del y2 y3 10 minus 1 del square y0 del y1 minus del y0 f1 del square y1 and f minus plus 1 then y0 10 minus of minus plus 2 10. To write forward interpolation formula for the given data, here third degree can write up to del q y0. Can write up to del q y0. Y0 1. What is about p here? P is equal to x minus h. What is h? What is x? X is x only. X naught is 0. H value means spacing of x data 1, 1 to 2, 1. T value is x only. X del y naught is 1. T means x by 2 del square y naught. X factor means del cube y naught is 12. Are equal to 1 x to cancel x is minus plus x. X in what is s to x minus x and simple 4x. So simple we are going to get x cube here x 6, 7, plus 1. Here in the question it is asked about find cubic polynomial. One represents cubic polynomial. After finding cubic polynomial, you can evaluate y at 4. Y4 means here y4 equal to means here we need to substitute in place of x 4. 7 into 4 here plus 2. Here we are going to 41. According to question, if it is asked about to find the polynomial, we need to substitute in place of p. Place of p equal to x minus x naught by h. Here we keep x as x only. Then only you will get polynomial in terms of x. So finding polynomial, you can evaluate any intermediate data also outside the given range. Next example. Here, in an examination, number of candidates who obtain the marks between certain limits are given as follows. Here range is given 30 to 40. 31 students got 30 to 40. 40 to 50. 42 students got 50 to 60. 1 student like this given. Find the number of candidates whose scores lie between 40 and 45. 45 and 50. So up to now we know finding of interpolation for the given data. Here it is given range is given. So you can modify the given problem according to our need. Our need is we need to find less than 40 and less than 45. We will get between 40 and 45. Here we are going to prepare cumulative frequency table for the given data. You can prepare data for less than 40. Here 30 to 40 is given 31. You can write less than 40 as 31 and less than 50. So 31 plus 42. 73. Less than 60. 73 plus 51. Less than 50. 31 plus 42. 33. Less than 60. 73 plus 50. 34. Yeah. Less than 70. 124 plus 35. 159. Less than 80. 159 plus 31. 190. So here we prepare forward difference table for the given data. So here we are going to find less than 45. Here the range is now the data is in terms of single terms only. Here you will get less than 45. Already we know less than 40. If you subtract both, you will get between 40 and 45. After finding 40 and 45, next problem is 45 and 50. We know less than 50. The first problem we will get less than 45. So subtract between 45 and 50, you will get the range between 45 and 50. Here, total forward interpolation formula is here. 45, x naught value is 40. 45 minus 40 divided by spacing. Spacing is 10. Here we will get 5 by 10 means 1 by 2, nothing but 0.5. Here we will substitute the values. We are getting 47.85. We will round off. So we will get 48 students. 48 students got marks less than 45. Now we know the marks less than 45. But the number of students for whose marks less than 40 is 31. Less than 40, 31. 31 students. Less than 45, we got 48 students. The difference is 48 minus 31. 17. 17 students got the marks between 40 and 45. The answer for the given first problem. Second problem, between 45 and 50. We know less than 50. Less than 50, how many students got less than 50? 73. 73 minus less than 45. Less than 45 is 48. The difference is 25. 25 students got the marks between 45 and 50. It is all about Newton forward interpolation. Okay, thank you for watching this. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe the channel, also press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my updated videos. Thank you for watching.